guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys two products that I incorporated into my skincare routine for the month of July. I received these two goodies from Skin Functional, and the first product that I received was their blemish corrector, which is 10% niacinamide, and then also the smoothing gel, which is a retexturizing honey. So those are the products. So they came in a box like this, and what I enjoy like from packages that you receive from Skin Functional is that they always include an encouraging code in there. So this one is from Maya Angelou, where it says, "We delight in the beauty of the butterfly but really admit to the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty." And then also just thanking you for being part of the family. And to top it all off, they always include the skincare routine of how you can use these products that they've sent you. But what I also noticed from my previous purchases from them was that they also take note of like the previous products that you have bought from them, so they also I included in this routine that they send you. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I use these products. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification icon so that anytime I upload a video you guys get notified.
I start off with the smoothing gel after applying my toner. It is a gentle, non-irritating exfoliator for sensitive skin. It has the honey extract, which is a healing agent that is excellent for soothing and healing properties. It helps the skin combat dullness and poor complexion. It is an alcohol-free, water-based serum created under cruelty-free conditions. It's fragrance-free, and the product is created in South Africa. It is also silicone. I follow up with the blemish corrector, which has 10% niacinamide, which reduces blemishes, the appearance of enlarged pores, and sebum production. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, works with natural substances in skin to visibly improve the appearance of blemishes and pores. This product is great for combination skin and oily skin. It helps you to say goodbye to pores, blackheads, blemishes, and oiliness. It is a alcohol-free, water-based serum, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and silicone-free.
So guys, this is how my skin is looking like after completing my full routine. I am happy with just how the products have been working on my skin, especially since they do cater for someone who has sensitive skin like me. And yeah, I will definitely leave the details down in the description box so that you guys can check out Skin Functional and see the range of products that cater for sensitive skin, oily sensitive skin, that is me. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification icon so that anytime I upload a video you guys get notified.